What if I told you that the breakthrough you've been praying for is delayed because of God's timing, but because of something you did today? Yes, before you even clicked this video, you probably practiced 1 or 2 habits that quietly block heaven as blessings from reaching you, and the Bible actually warns us about every single one of them. Get ready, because what you are about to hear could shift the direction of your entire life. Unforgiveness, the silent chain around your heart. The first habit is so normal we don't even notice it anymore. Holding grudges. Jesus did to soften his words in Matthew 6:4-5. He said clearly, if you don't forgive others, your Father won't forgive you. Think about that. The hurt from 5 years ago, the betrayal, the gossip, the disappointment, that may be the very thing blocking your blessing. Unforgiveness is like drinking poison and expecting someone else to die. Bitterness fills your heart with weight, and blessings cannot rest on a heavy heart. 2. Complaining, the leak that drains every blessing. The second habit is subtle, constant complaining. Traffic. Complain. Weather? Complain. Bills? Complain. But Philippians 2:14 tells us to do everything without grumbling, because every complaint is like telling God, what you've given me is enough. Look at the Israelites. A journey of 11 days became 40 years, just because they could to stop complaining. Maybe your wilderness is longer than it should be for the same reason. Comparison, blindness to your own blessing. The third habit is comparison. Social media has made this an epidemic. You scroll for a few minutes, and suddenly your own life feels small. But Galatians 6:4 says to examine your own work without comparing it to someone else, because what God is doing in someone else's life has nothing to do with what He is trying to do in yours. Envy does just steal joy. It creates inner chaos. Comparison blinds you to the blessings already in your hands. 4. Fear and doubt, the quiet killers of faith. The fourth habit hides behind the word realistic, living in fear and doubt. Hebrews 11:6 is very clear. Without faith, it is impossible to please God. Fear and faith both ask you to believe in something you cannot see. Fear believes in failure. Faith believes in God as promised. You cannot hold both. Whichever one you feed will grow, and it will shape your life. 5. Prioritizing money, choosing a limited source. The fifth habit is uncomfortable to admit, putting money above God. And this has nothing to do with being rich or poor. You can be broke and still worship money. Matthew 6:34 says you cannot serve both God and wealth. Every time you say, I'll skip prayer because I need to work overtime, or I'll focus on bills first, then I'll think about spiritual things, you are unintentionally choosing money as your provider. And whatever you choose as your provider also becomes your limit. God is limitless. Your bank account is. These 5 habits don't just block blessings. They block the version of you God is trying to reveal. But the beautiful part is, you can break these barriers today. Start with 1. Forgive someone. Stop a complaint mid-sentence. Take a break from comparison. Speak faith over your situation. Or put God first even when it does make sense. God is not waiting for perfection. He is waiting for willingness. And the moment you remove these barriers, watch how quickly things shift. Doors open, provision arrives, peace settles, your spirit becomes lighter. If this message challenged you, encouraged you, or spoke to something deep inside you, share it with someone who needs it today. Comment below and tell me which habit you are choosing to break right now. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Jesus Pulse. Point 4. More scripture-based messages that build real faith without the fluff. Your breakthrough is closer than you think. Don't let another day pass building walls when God is trying to build bridges. Thanks for watching. May God's peace, clarity, and strength go with you today.